So this is how you can sell your Pi coins, and I'm going to be showing you what the current rates are for today. So I have here this website, coincodex.com. It's basically a way to exchange, sell, or buy coins from different kinds of crypto. So here under Pi Network, as you can see, there are quite a lot of people selling, buying, and trading for the Pi coin. And as you can see, it's gone up by 13.30% the last 24 hours, so it's really boosting up right now. So what you're going to want to do is once you go to coincodex.com, you're going to want to tap on these trade buttons under action over here. There you go. And then if you want to check out the Pi pairs, you can go on ahead and check it out at this section over here. And here are the most popular exchanges. So make sure you exchange with these because it will definitely give you an advantage. The current 24-hour trading volume right now is 1.40 billion. So Pi network is actually really buzzing right now. As you can see from these statistics, it's really raising in the stocks. So I do suggest keeping it for a bit before you sell it. As you can see, here are the buttons. You can trade now, trade futures, or buy Pi. Just make sure you either get the app or log into the website so that you can do these moves and so that you can trade or sell your Pi network coins. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Once again, we are in the coincodex.com website, and this is where you can buy, sell, or trade your coins. So moving on, let's see the current prices. So here it is. It is at $1.95 in the Pi network price. As you can see, it's gone up by quite a lot during this day. From 173, it went up to $2 at max. And so here are the other statistics if you would like to see it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Those are the current prices and also how to sell or trade your coins. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.